If you're dealing with hamstring pain, watch this video. Millie hurt her hamstring in the gym, and we determined that's a grade 1 hamstring strain. So I'm going to take her through some exercises, but first let's get her adjusted to jumpstart her body's natural healing process.
Oh, that felt nice. Oh, that feels so good.
With hamstring injuries, it's important to start strengthening them as soon as possible. This is going to depend on the severity and your pain tolerance, but you don't want to start by stretching the hamstrings passively, for this can irritate those overstretched fibers. This is why we're doing active movements as well as isometric holds in these early stages of rehab. And if you want to prevent future injuries, you need to be working on your core. Your core is your body's foundation, and with a weak foundation, you're putting yourself at risk for injuries down the road. Alrighty, that's it, we're done.
Thanks, Jessica.